Good morning, my math scholars. This is Miss Greer Coach, and we are going to get ready for a rocking math review. So this is second grade Miss Greer Coach's rocking math review. Let's get up and get moving and have some fun. You know that we love to count by five. Let's go ahead and count by five and move however you want to move just to get your body flowing. Here we go. Ready? I want to hear y'all be loud. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. I can hear you. 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Awesome job, scholars. Now that we completed that part, let's go ahead. Our objective is I can skip count by 5s, 10s, and 100s to 1,000. We'll be working on that this week. Now, I know you remember skip counting. Mr. Baird and Miss Williams have taught you that. But if you don't remember, skip counting is counting by a number that is not 1. Now just think, if you had all these popsicle sticks and you had to count them all, wouldn't you just be tired, just like that little kitten is up top? It's an easier way to do things. We can group them to make it quicker. Let's start by counting by 5s. You can use your fingers to count. So let's start. We have 135, 140, 145. We want to know what are the next 3 numbers. So we're going to skip count by 5. Everybody up and tracking. We start 135, 140, 145, 150. The next one after 150 is 155. After that, the next one is 160. Awesome job. So, some strategies to skip counting. You can use your fingers. I know we have our fingers. We can use our fingers and our toes. Just kidding. We can use our fingers. We can use the number line. I know you've all used that. I've seen you do it before. And you can use your memory, that brilliant mind that you have. You already know this stuff. So this is just a review. And you can use the hundreds chart. I know many of you like to look at that, but here's one for you to look at. As we look at the hundreds chart in our 5s, we see that the 5 is also different colors. So let's do it together. We have 460, and we're trying to find that number. We have 475, and we're trying to find that number after that. And we have 485, and we want to find the number after that. Do you think you can do this? I can't hear you. I think we can do it. All right, so let's do it together. So we have 465. We're using our numbers. 466, 467, 468, 469, 470. All right, so the next one is 475. You have 476, 480, 485. Let's go. 486, 87, 489, 400 and which one do you think that is? 90. And there is our number line that has the numbers already highlighted on there, if you want to care to use that. So let's increase the rigor. Start at 585. What is the next number if I am counting by 5? This can be difficult, but I know you got it. So 585, use any strategy that you like. 590, then you have 595. What is the next one? 600. What is the next one after 600? If we're counting by 5, I think you got it. It is 605. After that, the next one is, you got it, 610. Is this answer correct? Let me see. Put your brains on. Check your brains. Put your brains on. Make sure your thinking hand is on. We have 265, 270, 275, 370, 285. I'll give you some time. Is this correct if we're counting by 5? If it's not, then what number needs to be changed? No, it is not correct. You changed 370 to 270. Let's try another one. Is this correct? Look at those. 425, 430, 435, 420, 445. Take a second and look. If that we're counting by 5s, would that be correct? I can feel those minds moving. I feel that energy. Let's see. Is it correct? No, it's not correct. You changed the 420 to 440. Good job. Give yourself a pat on the back. Let's check this one. Is this correct? 730, 725, 735, 715, 710. We're counting backwards. Take a second and look at it. Tell me what it is. I can't hear you. Is it correct? No, it's not correct. If you got that right, give yourself a pat on the back. Is this correct? 360, 355, 350, 325, 340, 335. Is this correct? If we're counting backwards by 5. Take a second and look. Put on those thinking hats. I know you got it. What is the answer? I can't hear you. Okay, let's see. No, it is not correct. And that is what we're changing, the 325 to 345. If you did it correctly, give yourself a pat on the back. So this is the part that you show me what you know. If you can get a piece of paper out and make sure you write this down. You have 890, 895, and you're trying to count forward by 5. Once you have completed that, I want you to explain how you know. What strategies did you use? What pattern did you see? You have 3 minutes. I'm going to set my timer for 3 minutes. And when you get finished, you will hear the alarm. Ready, set, and go. I want you to explain it because we're not little scholars. We are going to 3rd grade. So you have to be able to explain your answer. You have 2 minutes and 15 seconds left. If you can, once you've written it down, you can take a picture of it or have your parent take a picture and email me so that I know that you have done your work. 2 minutes left. A minute and 40 seconds. One minute and 15 seconds left. Make sure you explain how you got your answer and what pattern did you use, what strategy did you use. I look forward to seeing some of these answers. If you do not have my email is on the remind. You have about 30 seconds left. This is your exit ticket. You have about 5 seconds left. That is your time. Make sure you picture of it and email